This video teaches you how to make hyacinth. Hyacinths are simple. It's just laborious. You need to make many little flowers like this. Now let me teach you how to make one. You need to use a similar stick. Wrap the twist stick around it. Need it to be smooth. Then close it with a new twist stick. It is recommended that you use purple to close the mouth here. I use white for my video, so a little bit will be exposed at the end. Look carefully at my method. Pinch here. Pinch it flat. Flatten each of these petals. Just be on the same plane. Then adjust it. This little flower is ready. Let's do that one more time. Take a twist stick. Wrap on a stick. Then pinch tightly. You take it off and you stick it through the middle. Bottom closure. Then adjust the excess part. Then flatten the petals and pinch them flat. Look at my method. The tips of the petals are pinched a little bit. Basically, it's okay. Use a hair straightener here. Gently clip the petal. Make the petals flatter. Choose according to requirements. It can be omitted if necessary. Now, shape this petal. We start with the petals going up. Turn the flower tip out again. It's the same thing. Then you need to group this flower. I am a group of 5 flowers. 4 groups of 5 flowers. Now put this flower. The roots roasted it. Make it thinner. Then there are groups of 3 flowers. This is the top flower tip. If you want to make this bigger, 6 flowers can be made into 1 layer. Make more layers. Next, cut off the extra stick. The length left here should be the same. It's easier to stick. Start sticking below. Apply a little glue to the top and wrap it around. Wrap a twist rod around the flower pole. The sticky top layer is 3 petals. Put a little glue under the petals. Pay attention to the petal distance. The distance between the flower poles should be kept the same. Make sure they have a neat surface on them. The 3 flowers are evenly distributed. You can take a look. Stick the second layer below. When sticking, the flower pole should leave a distance from the first layer of flowers. After sticking 1 flower, when sticking the second flower, take the first flower as a reference. Is that they want to be on a flat surface. It's more natural. Then glue all 5 flowers on. After gluing this layer, just gently adjust its shape. Now glue the 3rd layer. The first flower is on the 2nd floor between 2 flowers. And notice the spacing. Then it sticks like this. Everyone should always adjust when sticking. You can't be tall or short. It doesn't look good. When gluing, you should watch it while gluing. Keep every flower. The openings of their flowers are evenly distributed across the outer layer. Adjust the position and shape. Stick the third layer below and the fourth layer. It's all the same method. Look at my method. Just play it here. Now on to the last floor. Friends who like a little longer can do a few more layers. Just stick it on in this order. Now let's make some leaves. Fold the 2 twist rods in half and go through. Look at my method. There are 3 or 4 leaves. You decide the number of leaves. I found my purple stick growing here. Cut it off. Bake the roots. Then match it with leaves. Wrap your own floral tape. Match the leaves. This tutorial is over. See you next time.